Hello and welcome back. In this video, we will explain the new Export and Import feature in the dynamic guiding sheet inside the Incoming Reservation File. This feature is designed to make the operation team's work easier when collecting actual costs from guides. The idea is simple. The operation team prepares the services in Maxis first. Then the guide fills only the cost amount column in the exported file. After that, the operation user imports the updated sheet back into Maxis, and the system updates the costs automatically. Before using this feature, we need to make sure that all related services are already entered in the reservation file. This includes the restaurants, entrance fees, and extra services that we want to send to the guide for cost confirmation. Now, let us take one of the demo reservation files as an example. From the reservation file, go to the bottom toolbar and click Guide Sheet. Then choose Dynamic Guide Sheet. The Dynamic Guiding Sheet window will open. Inside this window, we can see the services grouped into sections, such as restaurants, entrance fees, extras, and guiding fees. At the bottom of the Dynamic Guiding Sheet window, we can see two new options: Export and Import. We will start with Export. When we click Export, the system will generate a guiding sheet preview. This preview includes the services that need to be reviewed or filled by the guide, such as restaurant costs, entrance fees, and extra services. From the preview screen, the user can export the guiding sheet to Excel. After exporting it, the operation team can send the Excel file to the guide. The guide does not need to change the structure of the file. The guide only needs to fill or update the amount column, then send the file back to the operation team. This keeps the process controlled because the reference, type, file number, and service information remain the same. After receiving the file back from the guide, the operation user can import the updated amounts into Maxis. To do that, go back to the reservation file. Click Guide Sheet again, then choose Dynamic Guide Sheet. Then click Import from the bottom of the Dynamic Guiding Sheet window. The Import Data window will open. Now, copy the table from the Excel file exactly as it is, including the required columns. Then paste the table into the import area. After pasting the table, click Upload Table. The system will read the pasted table and prepare it for column mapping. In the mapping step, we need to match the Excel columns with the system fields. For this import, we need to map the important fields such as reference, type, file number, and amount. The reference helps the system identify the original service record. The type tells the system whether the record belongs to restaurants, entrances, or extras. The file number links the imported line to the correct reservation file. And the amount is the value that will be updated in the system based on what the guide filled in the Excel sheet. After mapping the columns, click Next. Before completing the import, make sure to enable Exclude First Row if the first row contains the column titles. For example, if the first row contains titles like reference, type, file number, site name, notes, and amount, then Exclude First Row must be enabled. If the first row contains actual data, then it should not be excluded. After confirming the mapping and the first row option, click Import. The system will update the related costs automatically inside the dynamic guiding sheet. This means the operation user does not need to open each restaurant, entrance, or extra service manually to update the cost. The system uses the imported reference and file number to update the correct records. This feature is especially useful when the guide handles several services during the tour and needs to return the actual paid amounts after the operation is completed. It reduces manual work, minimizes data entry mistakes, and gives the operation team a faster way to update actual guide sheet costs. This completes the explanation of the Export and Import feature in the Dynamic Guiding Sheet. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.